You just need to practice speaking English. Hi, I'm Jacobs. Today I'm studying essential grammar in use. Today's lesson is Unit 42. The theme is to either. So am I. Neither do I. で、これ難しすぎるのであんまりやる気がないです。ここのページもう諦めてます。なので軽くシャドーイングにとどめます。では行きます。
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
I'm happy too.
I enjoyed the film.
I
I enjoyed it too.
I enjoyed it too.
Jane is a doctor.
Jane is a
Her
doctor.
husband is a doctor too.
Her husband is a doctor too.
I'm not happy.
I'm not happy.
I'm not happy either.
I'm not happy either.
I can't cook.
I can't cook.
I can't either.
I can't either.
Ben doesn't watch TV.
Ben
He doesn't
watch
read
TV.
newspapers either.
He doesn't read newspaper either. What? はい。either イギリスだと either で、アメリカだとeither なんか発音が違うらしい。
I'm working.
I'm working.
So am I.
So am I.
I was late for work today.
I was ready for
So
work
was
today.
Sam.
So was Sam.
I work in a bank.
I work in a bank.
So do I.
So do I.
We went to the cinema last night.
We went to the cinema
Did
last
you?
night. Did you?
So did we.
So did we.
I'd like to go to Australia.
So would I.
I'd like to go to Australia. So would I.
I haven't got a key.
Neither have I.
I haven't got a key. Neither have I.
Kate can't cook.
Neither can Tom.
Kate can't cook. Neither can Tom. はい。
I won't be here tomorrow.
Neither will I.
I will be here tomorrow. Neither do I.
I never go to the cinema.
Neither do I.
I never go to the cinema. Neither do I.
I'm not married.
Nor am I.
Or
Neither am I.
I'm not married. Nor am I. わかんない。Neither am I. はい。もうここはもうこんな答えはできない。覚える気がない。すいません。じゃあ今回以上です。ありがとうございました。失礼します。